Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and if big hostas are your thing, you got to check out this one. Let's take a look. Here we have Woo La La. This is a giant hosta with giant leaves. This particular plant is nearly 5 foot across, and it's about 3.5 foot tall. This is a pretty mature specimen. It's going to continue to fill out and get fuller and fuller every year, but I would say as far as the spread, this is pretty accurate there at about 5 or so foot across. Beautiful variegated foliage. You can see it's got the deep dark green, just a little hue of blue, and then that nice chartreuse edge on it. Really a nice heavily corrugated leaf. Generally, this is one that the slugs are going to pretty much leave alone. Now, I shouldn't say that because somebody's going to say, well, slugs ate mine. But because it's got a lot of thick substance, the leaves are pretty thick, it's not going to be one of the first hostas that your slugs are going to go after. This here is planted in a part shade location, so shade to part shade. I think if I was going to be placing it, part shade would be the ideal, but if you have shade, it's going to do gorgeous there as well. So if you're looking to add a giant hosta to your collection, make sure you leave plenty of space. But this here is the Hosta Woo La La. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings.